Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be coloring my hair back jet black and I will be braiding it in knotless braids. I'm gonna do like an ombre effect. So I'm going to use this Clairol. I kind of ripped the box open, y'all, but I'm gonna use this Clairol texture and tone 0 ammonia, and it's gonna be back in natural black. And I guess they changed the cover on the box, because the original box is like orangey and it says Clairol, but I don't know if it's like a different type or whatever. So we're gonna see how this works. And my hair is a little bit oily right now. I think you're supposed to do it on clean hair, so I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna put this on and let it sit, and we're gonna see how it takes, and then we're gonna jump into the knotless braid process. Okay, so now that I've parted my hair into 4 sections, we're gonna just do the basics. So you're gonna put the 1 and the 2 and mix it together. So I'm about to take this top off, and they want you to kind of like push that off, and then we're going to, and I really don't have to do my roots because my roots are already black, but if I have extra left over I will. I'm just probably gonna put it on my tips because that's where my blonde is. And then I'm gonna take step 1, we're gonna mix it with step 2, and we're just gonna pour in there. Okay. And now I'm gonna put the cap back on here. And then we're gonna take the cap on too, and we're just gonna shake it up, y'all. So I'm just gonna put this cap back on, put my gloves on real quick, because I'm pretty much gonna start putting it on there as soon as I shake it up. So put my little black gloves. They give you gloves in the packet, but I just prefer black because I don't want no dye on my hand. So yeah, I got these from the beauty supply store too. The little latex gloves. Then you're gonna take it and you're gonna take your fingertip and you're just gonna shake it up. Just like that. And they also, in the box, it gives you conditioner too. So I'm gonna put that conditioner on my little mask, and we're gonna let this thing steep, because as you can see, it's turning like a brown color. So I'm gonna shake it up because I want my hair back black. It is growing off the tips, y'all, because my whole hair was blonde all over. If y'all go back into my videos, I was dyeing my hair a rose gold, and I had dyed my whole hair blonde. I actually like me blonde, and so now that it's growing out, I'm just like kind of sick of the blonde at the tip, so I'm just gonna dye back black. It's time to distribute, so I'm gonna start in the front, then I'm gonna go to the back.
Down ready, stay ready, yeah. Mr. Young Crane is here. Check, heavenly poetry. Devil ain't stopping nothing, just annoying me. My team nice, I don't know how they still ignoring me. That's why I hop on beats and treat some heat like it's some toiletry. Ironically, I wrote this verse right from my toilet seat. I'm guessing that's what God been here anointing me.
Okay, trendsetter, so this is my hair. And it came out black, like it's back black. I'm loving it. So now we can get into the braiding process. So pretty much I have the pre-stretched hair, the ombre kind, and it is 3C2 27613. It starts at the 2, but my hair is natural black. It kind of looks natural black anyway. And I'm debating if I want to do like a boho ombre look or just keep it regular knotless braids. So we're gonna jump into this video.
Remember Christmas. step at a time. Oh, it will be alright. The comforter is nigh. We walk by faith and not by sight. Remember we're God. There's no shame, no, no, no. He's opening doors. There's nothing that he can't do. You know he lives. Yes, he lives in you. He lives in you.
YouTube, these are the final results of my knotless braids, and I like it. It's giving. It took me, I want to say it took me about, I started at 11, so 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. I took a little break. 7, 8. So it took me like 8 hours to do it in total if I were to not take a break. So I took like an hour break, but I finished around 8 o'clock. So this is what it looked like. This is the back. It's very lightweight. I could put it up in a little ponytail or a bun. I'm probably gonna style it later before I go to church. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It was real quick because I have plenty of videos of me showing how I do my knotless braids. But this is just like the basics on how to exactly install it if you couldn't see in my first little clip. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later, trendsetters.
I love that you put the reservation. I love that you know my favorite places. I see you on my line, I'll be ready on time. I don't wanna waste a moment tonight. Let me do my makeup.